Good morning, my name is Gemma. I look after Wellis in Scotland. Today I'm back in Ayrshire in the town of Ayr. I just popped in to check in on the spa here that Lynn has invested in during the coronavirus time. The reason that she chose this spa, this is the Kilimanjaro Standard Spa, was simply because there was 5 seats, a massive foot well and also a lounger here. Now with the Kilimanjaro Standard, this colour here is Midnight Canyon. It's got absolutely everything that you'll be looking for to do with the jet placement, the jet positioning, the filtration system, the energy efficiency, the construction and also the warranties. She's absolutely delighted with her spa, and when I came to visit her this morning, she was just saying that her son, he's a footballer and he's using it for the therapy. She's using it every single morning for drinking her coffee, and she's very much using it at the weekend for time for life with the friends and family. This spa in particular has just won an industry award from the What Spa magazine as the best overall spa in its category for the year 2021. So this is the Kilimanjaro Standard Spa, a fantastic option for all families.